Hi, my name is Peter Sidwell and today's recipe is a Harissa Roasted Aubergine served with labneh, which is a salted yogurt, sesame and fresh mint. It's a vegetarian dish, it's fragrant, delicious, you have got to try it. Take the aubergines and slice them in half long ways. Then the dark side, so the outside of the aubergine, just nick the back off there, which will allow the aubergine to not roll around. It just gives it a flat base to sit on. Then take your knife and cut a crisscross into the actual aubergine on the cut side. What this does is two things. It lets moisture out and flavour in. And this is key to making aubergines absolutely delicious. To flavour our aubergines, we're going to mix together some coriander seeds, some cumin seeds, harissa paste, and olive oil, some lemon juice. Mix all those together and it makes an incredible marinade to brush onto the top of the aubergines. It will soak in and the salt will draw the moisture out, so you get great texture and beautiful flavour. So once you've spread all the marinade onto the aubergines, put them in the oven for about 40 minutes at 170 degrees. While the aubergines are roasting, we're going to prepare the yogurt. Now, labneh, which is a salted yogurt, a Middle Eastern dip, it is absolutely delicious. But what you need is good Greek yogurt. That really good thick stuff is what you need to work with. Take 300 grams of that, pop it into a bowl with a tablespoon of salt. Mix it all together. You can take some kitchen paper, put it onto a plate, sprinkle it with a little bit more salt, and then spread your salted yogurt over the kitchen paper. Then take 2 or 3 more pieces, put that on top. What's happening is the salt is drawing the moisture out of the yogurt and into the kitchen towel. So once it's wet, pull it off, put some more on, turn it upside down and do the same again. And do that 2 or 3 times, and what it will draw out is about 20% more water out of the yogurt and make it even thicker and more delicious. So on the last turn, peel your paper over, turn it over, and then peel that last piece of kitchen roll off, and then you've got it spread onto a nice big plate. Dust it with a little sumac, which is like a Middle Eastern spice. Really easy to get in the supermarkets now. And then some black sesame seeds and some fresh mint. Drizzle over some extra virgin olive oil, makes for the perfect base to sit your roasted aubergines on. When the aubergine's roasted, remove it from the oven and transfer it straight on top of the yogurt. Then just sprinkle batter over the top and finish it with a lovely squeeze of lemon, and you have got an incredible vegetarian dish that is absolutely delicious. Now, if you want the recipe, go to kitchencraft.co.uk and you'll find it there.